Today we will quickly make a scatter plot in R by using the plot function. For this you have to install R first and then RStudio. The links to both of these softwares are in the description. Suppose your data is composed of 5 columns and it is present in an Excel sheet, and the column headers are present along with the values for each column. You can save it as CSV. I am going to name it as species. Along with it, you have to select the comma separated value file format. After saving, you are presented with the pop-up and you can click on No. On the other hand, if you have your data in the Google Sheets, then you can download this data as comma separated value file. After saving it from either of the resource in the CSV format, you can then import it in RStudio.
When you open the RStudio, then you will see that the console panel is maximized. For this, we have to generate a new script file.
Excuse me. And give it some name. Before anything else, we will set the working directory in R so that we can fetch and save the files to that directory. getwd can be used to fetch the path to working directory. With the function of read.csv, we are reading the file of iris.csv with the headers true, means the column should be there in a new variable of imported data. Now I am going to fetch the values of one of the column, which is sample.length, into a new variable of sl_x. You can see the values of the imported data in environment panel. You can click on it and we'll get a table of it. We can see the values of sl_x in the environment panel. We can click on it and we will get the values. We will require one more variable in which all of the values of sepal width should be stored. You can give any other column name here. But I am interested in making a scatter plot between the columns of sepal length and sepal width. The values of column sepal width is stored now in this sw_y variable. Now this is the moment when we are going to generate the plot, a scatter plot, and we'll finish our work. So the arguments required by this plot function is sl_x, which is the x variable, sw_y, which is the y variable, and the title of the plot, which should be supplied to the argument of main. Along with it, I am going to label the x-axis, which is now the sepal length, and the label of y-axis will be sepal width. And here you can see the graph is generated. We can export this image or the plot to a PDF format, or even in the PNG format it can also be exported. So I am going to save the plot into the same folder. And let's see the plot in PDF. As I have saved the plot in PDF format, I will move towards the example folder, and here you can see the plot is in the PDF format. So that's all, folks. I hope you will like the video. Please click the subscribe button and like button if you want. Thank you.